Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing household appliances as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into the world of GE washers and tackling the frustrating error code E61. If your washer is flashing this code in 2025 or any year, it usually points to a door lock issue or a communication problem between the control board and the door switch. Don't worry. With a few simple steps, you could have your washer up and running in no time. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your washer from the power outlet before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical shocks or damage. Once that's done, let's get to the fixes. Step 1. Check the door. Make sure it's fully closed and latched. Sometimes, a simple misalignment or an object stuck in the door seal can trigger this error. Give the seal a gentle wipe to remove any lint or debris. If that doesn't do the trick, move on to step 2. Perform a reset. Plug the washer back in, then press and hold the start button for about 5 seconds to reset the cycle. If the error persists, it's time for step 3. Inspect the door lock mechanism. Open the door and look for any visible damage, like a broken latch or loose wires. If you're comfortable, you can try gently cleaning the switch with a soft cloth, but be careful not to force anything. Now, if none of these steps work, it might be a more serious issue, like a faulty control board. In that case, I recommend calling a professional technician to avoid causing further damage. Remember, washers can be tricky, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. To prevent this error in the future, make sure to keep your washer clean and perform regular maintenance, like checking the door seal every few months. There you have it. You're now equipped to conquer error code E61 on your GE washer. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.